How to contact support in Shadow Fight 3. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to fix a bug, lost progress, or account issue in Shadow Fight 3, here's how you can easily contact support. First of all, launch open the Shadow Fight 3 game on your device. Make sure you're inside the lobby page. Once you're in the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. Once you do that, from the expanded menu, click on Support. Once you're inside the Support tab, go to the bottom and click on Chat with us. You can then go ahead and send your feedback, ask questions, or report abuse issues in this page. Go ahead and write down your problem in the text box. Also, you can mention your player ID, device details. You can keep it short but clear so support can help faster. After you send in, you'll be able to receive possible help from the support team. Wait for some time for the reply. The response times can vary, so be a little patient. So from here, you can easily contact the game support page. If you don't want to do this inside the game, you can also visit the official Nikki support website and submit a ticket. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.